This video we're gonna walk straight down that way, but we're starting at Amma Temple, so that's why I want to capture it here. So stay tuned and we'll go that way. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna be heading that way in a minute. Before we go, this is called Lago de Pagoda de Barra. So this is called Barra area, and there's a maritime museum behind me over there. If you keep going, it's the end of the road for the Macau Peninsula, and then you'd overlook Taipa. Over here you'd overlook China. China's across the waterway there. Lots of boats over in that direction. But what we're gonna do is leave all this behind, this cool stuff. Beautiful park benches, beautiful parks, beautiful people sitting, beautiful building, and we're going to be walking down Rua de Almirante Se. So okay, let's just kind of capture this whole thing before we go. So that's a temple right there, beautiful park, and now we're going to walk down this main street. You can also see all these kind of tourist signs, but we're going to be heading that way. Before we do, I'll just kind of show you this sign right here. That's our street right there, so we're going to be walking down this street. So let's go check it all out. Big temple here. Actually, let me just kind of check this out real quick. You just kind of see what's inside there. Kind of interesting. So this is a big bus stop right here. Let me just see. So a lot of people will come here and then they can get to the Macau side. So you can see the buses that say Barra right there. And that's where we go directly down into Amma Temple and Navy Yards and things like that. Let's keep on walking down this way. There's some pretty well-known places along this way, including this one. This is called, it's like Portuguese cuisine right in here. There's the main sign and the main door right there. There it is. Comida Portuguese, Portuguese food. This is pretty well-known, pretty famous. Got some pharmacy here. Macau is filled with pharmacies. I don't know why it's so pharmaceutical based. There's a school for shipping. We keep on walking down this way. I don't know how far we'll walk, but we'll walk for a little ways anyways. Got a green light right there. Let's just kind of check out this street right here for a minute. So yeah, it's kind of a cool little street called Rua do Pais Salgado. But we're gonna keep on walking down this area. Okay. There's an optometrist over here. Some of these are closed. Here's food. It's a Sunday, by the way. It's also May, so it's a little bit quiet. These are little things. You'll see these all along the walls in front of businesses usually. It's gonna pause for a moment and then we're gonna keep on going. So, okay. So yeah, this is kind of near the base of this, okay, let's keep on going. This is like, this is a typhoon marker. So the typhoons, when they come in, they'll let you know, like, okay, there's a water surge of 1.5 meters or 2.5 meters, and that'll kind of give you an idea of like how much water you should expect that's going to be coming in. And I think the system is like 1 meter by the time it gets here to be there. But of course, if it's 2.5, then it's going to be much more is going to be coming in. So that's kind of why the 2.5, the 1.5, and the 1 is so different. Anyways, you'll see those all along the waterways now because we've had some pretty nasty typhoons. Just in the 8 years I've been here, we saw some really bad ones with some really awful storm surge that comes through this area in particular. just destructive. So now they started trying to prepare more. Let me see what these are. Interesting. Might also be a little way just to kind of, probably a private property, but looks like there might be some apartments in there. Could be a lot of different stuff. Huh. Yeah, very good. Okay. Let's kind of check out more. Here's a auto mechanic. We're gonna keep on going. Okay. The rest of the Street of Prosperity. We'll keep on walking. This one's another Portuguese, Litoral. Litoral is another good Portuguese restaurant. 25-year anniversary was 2020. Signature dishes. These look tasty. Okay, let's keep on going. Okay, this one looks kind of cool too. Actually, I wouldn't mind eating in this one. The prices are right, 60 mop. We've got some good stuff in there. This is like codfish, rice, and that might be codfish too, I'm not sure. Ribs, I think. Some good food in this area. Huh, this one. I like this door. So this one's also called Plazas Prosperity. So I think this kind of goes around in a big loop right there. So yeah, there you go. That'd be kind of interesting to film in that area too. Okay. Keep on walking down these ones. Kind of cool stuff here. Another bus stop. All right. Something up there says Chill Cafe, so I think we'll walk up to that one as well. See what the Chill Cafe is all about. Hey. Nice places just to sit. And this looks like just kind of an empty yard. Does look pretty cool though. Amazing those houses, the way they're kind of gutted in certain parts, but kind of lively on the other hand too. That looks really interesting. Especially this house, because they got like something really cool right there. And they got that little window stuff there. It's like a really tiny little place, but with a lot of windows. It's interesting. Okay, so it looks like Chill Cafe is going to be our ending spot. So we'll just go a little bit further. Little kitchen. Coffee, lunch. It's like interesting. Okay, this one is automobiles, fixing cars. And then let's check out this Chill Cafe. So Chill Cafe is right here. Oh, it's like barbecue. Looks like you go up. Huh. Feel the calm. I guess you could go up there to the rooftop. It's gotta be what it is. So anyways, this is kind of our street and a little corner of the street, a little couple blocks of the street anyways. Yeah, I think that must be an outdoor place to sit and enjoy and chill out and relax. Pretty cool. And we're gonna just go walk a little bit further and just check out this next. Let's around this street too. Okay, got a little walkway here. And there we go. Kind of cool little space. Yeah, look how cool that space is. Dang, that's really cool looking. Okay, I guess we'll end it right there then.